In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export CSV from LibreOffice Calc. If you've ever needed to move spreadsheet data into another app, a CSV file is one of the most compatible formats you can use. It strips away styling and keeps only the raw data, which makes it perfect for imports, data analysis, and simple backups. Start by opening LibreOffice Calc and loading the spreadsheet you're working with. If your file has multiple sheets, switch to the specific sheet you want to export. Only the active sheet will be saved to CSV, so make sure you're on the right one before moving on. Next, open the File menu and choose Save As. In the Save As window, pick a location and a file name you'll recognize. The key setting here is the format. In the Save As type, sometimes labeled Filter, open the drop-down and select Text CSV. CSV. This tells Calc to export your data as plain text with separators. When you're ready, click Save. At this point, Calc may show a warning that formatting could be lost. That's expected. CSV doesn't store colors, formulas, or styling. Confirm by choosing Use Text. CSV format to proceed. If you want control over how the CSV is written, make sure the Edit Filter Settings option is checked before you save. With that enabled, a second dialog appears where you can fine-tune the export. First, choose the character set. Unicode UTF-8 is a safe default for most workflows because it preserves international characters and emojis correctly. Then set the field delimiter, which determines how columns are separated. A comma is standard for CSV, but some regions or systems prefer a semicolon or tab. Match whatever your target system expects to avoid misaligned columns during import. Next, pick the string delimiter, typically double quotes. This wraps text values, which is important when a cell contains commas, semicolons, or line breaks. Keeping the default double quotes ensures those values stay intact as single fields. You'll also see an option called Save Cell Content as shown. Turn this on if you want the exported values to match what you see on the sheet, things like formatted dates, percentages, and trailing zeros. If you leave it off, Calc exports the raw underlying values, which can be better for precise data processing. Once these settings look right for your use case, click OK to complete the export. Your CSV is now saved and ready to use in other tools, uploaded to a database, or shared with a team. That's all it takes to reliably export a CSV from LibreOffice Calc.